Wondered how to make flying feel less like a chore and more like an adventure? Well, you're not alone. Right now, searches for flight hacks are exploding to record highs, and it makes sense because more Americans are flying internationally than ever before. People are packing their bags and heading out to see the world. But let's be real, flying can be uncomfortable and expensive. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be? What if you could turn that cramped economy seat into a first-class experience without breaking the bank? Today, we're going to change the way you fly forever. I went out and found the 10 most insane travel hacks that airlines absolutely do not want you to know about. And the best part? Every single one of these hacks will cost you less than $50. That's right, for less than the price of a checked bag on some airlines. You can completely upgrade your travel game. We're talking comfort entertainment food and even free upgrades. This isn't just about saving a few bucks. It's about making your journey as epic as your destination. So get ready, because I'm about to show you how to travel smarter, not harder. I've tested all of these myself, and I can promise you, you won't look at flying the same way again. We have a ton of stuff to get through, so make sure you stick around until the very end, because the last hack is one that could literally save your entire trip. Let's do this. All right, first up, let's talk about comfort. You're stuck in a tiny seat for hours, your neck hurts, your feet are swelling. But for less than $50, we can fix all of that. First, I bought this inflatable neck pillow for just $15. It packs down to the size of a soda can. Inflate it, and it gives perfect support so you can actually sleep on the plane. Next on the list are these compression socks. They might not look cool, but trust me, your legs will thank you. Then we have this reusable, collapsible water bottle. This one cost me about $12. Staying hydrated is one of the most important things you can do on a flight, but buying water at the airport is a total ripoff. Okay, Chapter 2 is all about saving you from the soul-crushing boredom of a long flight. You've watched the one good movie on the in-flight system. Now you're just staring at the flight map, watching the tiny plane icon move at a snail's pace. The airlines want you to pay for their ridiculously expensive and slow Wi-Fi. I paid for it on a flight once, and it was so bad I couldn't even load a single YouTube video. Instead, we're going to create our own entertainment paradise for free. Audiobooks. Did you know you can get free audiobooks legally? Apps like Libby let you connect your library card and borrow audiobooks for free. I downloaded 3 full-length novels for my last trip. Over 30 hours of entertainment. Movies and TV shows. Streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime have download features. The night before your flight, download a whole season or a few movies on home Wi-Fi. Games. Thousands of great offline games on the App Store and Google Play. Music. Download playlists and albums on Spotify or Apple Music for offline listening. For a total cost of $0, you now have more entertainment than you could ever need. You've saved $20 or more on Wi-Fi and avoided hours of boredom. Let's be honest, airline food is terrible. Airport food is a giant scam. They charge you $15 for a sad-looking sandwich. For this chapter, I'm going to show you how to bring your own feast on board. The secret is knowing the TSA rules. The rule is simple. You can bring any solid food through security. So, the night before my flight, I went to the grocery store and created the ultimate snack pack. My snack pack cost me less than $10. I got a bag of my favorite jerky for protein, some trail mix for energy, a couple of granola bars, and even some chocolate because you have to treat yourself. I bought these powdered drink packets, iced tea, lemonade, and electrolyte mixes. You just rip one of these open, pour it in, and shake it up. It's this foot hammock, and I only paid $10 for it. You just loop it over the tray table in front of you, and it creates a little sling for your feet. It lets you elevate your feet, which takes the pressure off your lower back and helps with circulation. To keep your muscles from getting stiff, I also bought a small set of resistance bands for about $7. You don't need to do a full workout, but you can use these discreetly in your seat to do simple stretches. Everyone wants a better seat on the plane, right? More legroom, a window view, or just a seat that isn't right next to the bathroom. Airlines know this, and they charge a fortune for preferred seats. But what if I told you there are ways to snag a better seat without paying a single extra dollar? The first trick is all about timing your check-in. As the flight gets closer, airlines start releasing some of those premium seats they held back for elite flyers. So, by checking in a little later, say 4 to 6 hours before your flight, The second part of this strategy is using a free seat map app. My favorite is called Seat Guru. It color codes every single seat. Green seats are good, yellow seats have some issues like limited recline, and red seats are the ones you want to avoid at all costs. It's the modern-day travel nightmare. You're halfway through a 12-hour flight, your phone is at 5% battery, and the in-seat power outlet is broken. But don't worry. For less than $20, we can build a battery survival kit that guarantees you will never run out of power again. I bought this super compact power bank for just $18. It's about the size of a candy bar, but it holds enough power to charge my phone 2 full times. That's why I bought this USB multi-cable for only $9. This one cable has 3 connectors: Lightning for iPhones, USB-C, micro USB. Okay, so honestly, the worst part of any trip can be the airport itself, especially that dreaded security line. The first, and honestly, most important tool in your arsenal is packing cubes. I bought a set of 4 for about $20, and they've totally changed how I pack. Instead of having a messy pile of clothes in your suitcase, everything is neatly organized into its own container. Instead of using a flimsy sandwich bag that can easily tear, I invested $5 in a sturdy, reusable, clear zip bag designed specifically for TSA. To go along with that, I bought a mini toiletry kit for about $10. Deciding what to wear on a plane is a strategic mission. The cabin temperature can go from feeling like a sauna to an Arctic tundra in minutes. Master the art of layering and use one secret multi-use item. Wear several thin layers instead of one bulky coat. The real hero is a large scarf or pashmina. I bought this for about $15, my most versatile travel accessory. Wear it as a scarf in the airport. Unfold it on the plane to use as a cozy blanket. Roll it up and use it as a pillow for neck support or lumbar support. Drape it over your head like a little tent for privacy. It's a blanket, a pillow, a fashion accessory, and a privacy screen all in one. Did you know your plane ticket comes with a bunch of secret freebies? Airlines have a hidden stash of amenities most people don't know about. All you have to do is politely ask a flight attendant. Most long-haul flights carry small dental kits. You can often ask for a better over-the-ear headset from Premium Economy. Flight attendants often keep a basket of extra snacks in the galley. In our final chapter, we're turning your smartphone into the ultimate travel tool. There are thousands of travel apps out there, but many of them are unnecessary or cost money. First, a language app, Duolingo, Google Translate. Use your phone's camera to translate menus and signs in real time, even without an internet connection. Next, a flight tracker app, FlightAware. Finally, offline Google Maps. And there you have it. 10 insane travel hacks that will completely change the way you fly. We built a first-class comfort kit, got unlimited free entertainment, ate like royalty, learned how to snag a better seat without paying a dime. The best part is that every single one of these hacks and gadgets costs under $50. This proves that you don't need to be rich to travel in comfort and style. Your travel experience is about to get a major upgrade. So I challenge you to try at least one of these hacks on your next flight. Whether it's the $10 foot hammock or just downloading some free audiobooks, I promise it will make a huge difference. Travel is about making incredible memories, and your journey should be just as enjoyable as your destination. Don't let the airlines nickel and dime you into having an uncomfortable and expensive flight. Take control and travel smarter. Thank you so much for watching. If you found these hacks useful, do me a huge favor and